Hey guys, my name is Greg Fridman, and just to remind you, we're here to review scientific papers. And today's paper is curious. I stumbled on it and just kept reading. Thankfully, it's only one page, and then I discovered something cool. I'll share that with you in a minute. So this is an editorial on physics words with surprising origins. And for some reason, I have a picture of a barn here. I had to read this. And the paper editorial talks about many everyday English words that have double meaning. And of course, I'll link to this paper in the description, and here's a link right here. You're most welcome to read it yourself, and you'll find something curious once you get there. But anyway, they talk about law is a word that's used in physics, spelled L-A-W, but it means something quite different in everyday legal jargon. Laws is something that, as we know, some people challenge these days. Whereas in physics, once it becomes a law, well, it's kind of permanent. Another word, charm. Charm, somebody's charming or something is charming, but in physics, it is a magical device to avert evil. Speaking of quarks. And a barn is something that's 10 to the minus 28 square meters and is a unit of the cross-sectional area of a reaction, approximately equal to the cross-section of a uranium nucleus, which is as big as a barn in nuclear physics. Cool. Penguins. I didn't know that. Penguin diagrams. So the guy who invented penguin diagrams, he was playing darts against Melissa Franklin and bet that if he lost, which he did, he had to include the word penguin in his next paper. How ridiculous is that? And he did, and some of the diagrams look kind of like penguins, so now we have penguin diagrams. Now the word is nucleus. There's a cell nucleus, there is nucleus in biological cells. Another word is plasma. Near and dear to me, it's a state of matter and a component of blood. Spelled exactly the same way. Causes a lot of confusion. So I read this, I was like, what the hell is this? This is a reputable journal, Nature Reviews, Physics. Oh wait, published online April 1st. There's a link here. So when we go to that link, what do we find? Of course, we find the paper and editorials. So these come out with some regularity. This one is from April 1st, 2024. There it is. Physics, words with surprising origins. What do we have for 25? Came out on April 3rd. The physics of cats. You guys gonna have to read this one on your own, but this is pretty cool. These are open access. Anybody can log in, read them, and they're pretty fun. And looks like they come out, let's see, is there for 23, June, April 26, April 1st. The physics of fizz. Very cool. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this little find. If you did, click subscribe and like and all that. You know what to do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.